Let's make a plant-based egg salad. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we're making one of my all-time favorite sandwiches, egg salad. But of course, there's not going to be any eggs, and I'll show you the secret ingredient in just a few minutes. So this was one of our recipe vote winners for this month, which I was so glad because I was hoping they would vote for the same one I wanted to make. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with the sauce or the mayonnaise that would typically go in an egg salad. So I've got 2/3 of a cup of cashews. If you don't have cashews, you could also use almonds. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, just a regular yellow mustard, because I personally like the really punchy flavor of a yellow mustard. But you could also use just like a whole grain mustard or a Dijon. This is just my personal favorite. Then we've got 2 teaspoons of a dark miso. Then we have 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of a white wine vinegar, but you could also use an apple cider vinegar. And then 1/2 cup of water. So, to really give it that kind of eggy flavor, the secret ingredient here is black salt. It has that sulfury smell to it and taste to it like cooked eggs do. So this is 1/2 teaspoon of black salt, and it's completely optional. If you don't really like black salt, you don't have to use that. All right, now we're just gonna blend this until those cashews are super, super creamy. All right, there's our sauce. Now I'm going to grab our secret ingredient for what's going to make up the eggy texture. And all of our pantry ingredients today are from our partner Essential Organics, who carry over 600 organic products. And if you want to check them out, you can use the code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout for 10% off of your order. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. Okay, for our eggy mixture, we are using extra firm tofu. So you want to make sure you just drain off your tofu. You can even squeeze out a little bit of the excess moisture. And then you can use a fork, or I like to use my little pastry cutter because I think it's just easier and quicker. So I'm just going to chop it into chunks. And make sure you get, there's not any big chunks left in there because you don't want a big old chunk of tofu in there. All right, so I am modeling this after how my mom used to make our egg salad, and we were a Miracle Whip family. So I really love that super, super tangy flavor that Miracle Whip has. And I mean, that's mainly because of the vinegar. So that is what I modeled mine after, but I know there's, other people put celery or dill or even chives chopped up in there, which you can do. You can do that if you want. I'm not a personal fan of that, so we're just gonna make it plain, and you can add whatever ingredients you want to it. So we're just gonna pour it in there and then stir it together. And you're gonna need to store this in the refrigerator in an airtight container. And it will be good for up to about a week because it has so much vinegar in it. All right. That is as simple as it is. So now that's left is a taste. So I'll meet you at the table for a taste. Here we go. I'm gonna put mine on a piece of my lentil bread from last week's show, and if you haven't seen that one, you need to check that show out because this bread is so delicious. And it's perfect for egg salad. Oh, it smells so good. Really brings back so many memories for me of my childhood. I really loved egg salad. All right, I like to put a lot on there. All right, here we go. That yellow mustard really makes it. You are going to love it. Come on back next week for another great recipe.